We are on the way to SM Makati for Makati Open II 2025. Up first is 3x3, and I hope to be our average. Cello. Not how to pronounce my name. How again? Cello. Cello. How again? How again? Cello. Okay, Beatrice. Next event is 2x2, and I didn't do well. OH was actually decent since I never really practiced. Unlike my sibling, I'm not good at clocks, so these were my times. Next was Pyraminx, and Pyraminx was Pyraminx. Scube, my main event. Unfortunately, I didn't podium, but I was close and still had fun.
You're gonna do great, Cello.
You sound sarcastic.
You're gonna do so well.
You sound so sarcastic.
FNR again.
No, can't.
You know that case where I'll show you.
What are you trying to do? The case he was talking about.
Get this shit case but like you see like that's solved. So instead of like doing the intermediate, if you see something solved at the back, you just like solve the corner.
This is solved. So what you do is you go here, you hedge, you get to the U-perm, such.
So like instead of doing that shit, it just gives you U-perm straight. Just like I hate cat 3. You know the category 1, 2, 3? No, okay. It's okay. It's alright.
I still love you with like service of that.
It's alright.
Okay, good song.
Let's go.
Double 7.
Let's go. One more for 3.
Yeah, one more. Oh,
Are you ready? It's 8 seconds.
that was so painful. That was so painful. Oh my gosh. I have such lower condition.
Is this good? Is this average good?
So much. I counted a 5.
But anything above 3 is bad for her, because your average is 3.
I don't average 3 actually.
Ready?
Huh, you don't average 3, huh?
I don't. I seriously don't.
Oh, really? Another 7.
Triple 7! You have a 7 average. Let's go. Whatever.
466. Carl was like, oh,
Okay.
so I'm gonna count to 5.
Did he say that as in a good way or a bad
I
way?
have no idea.
Okay.
For Group 2 of Scoob, I was a scrambler, and I have 20 minutes of footage, so I'll speed up the rest and show you my fun interactions.
Kanina yun.
Hindi yan.
Kay Joey.
Ay, wala yan, wala yan.
That did not happen.
Wala nangyari.
That did not happen.
Nothing happened.
I definitely did not catch that on video.
If the other one is Anne, then what's your name?
Shallow.
Oh,
Hindi mo ba alam pangalan ko?
no. All I know is there's a twin. Are you twin?
Yes.
Yeah. That's all I know. I don't know who is this, who is this, who is that. Actually, I asked her earlier, like, what the average name is you? I said like that, and she said like, it was my sister.
She's the clocker, I'm the scuba.
That's nice. Different,
Names, yeah.
yeah.
I don't think I'm podiuming today.
Huh?
I don't think I'm podiuming today.
No, you just need to, like, Carl Young and Javier Iglesias is in nerves right now. Knowing I got a good hour.
Oh, he plus 2 to 5.
I told you. They're in nerves. Carl Young,
He doesn't even make
borrow my
scuba.
skill.
Really? He didn't
Yeah.
bring his own?
He borrowed my skill because he said it's really good.
Maybe I just need to set up my scoop.
Yeah. What is your skill?
The Gannon house.
Non-UV? Non-UV? Or is it UV?
No, no, it's not UV.
You should set it up like a sandy feeling. I don't know how I did that. I just used weight 5.
Since I was already at the scrambling station, I was a scrambler for 3x3 round 2, and there's also 20 minutes of footage, so I'll speed it up and show you the fun bits.
That's mine. Oh, that's Aunt's. Can you give it to me? Nice. What about? Thank you. Nice.
Hello, yung mga pasok ng wave po, tatawagin ko isa-isa.
Ito gusto ko. Bitan.
Isa-isa ko kayo tatawagin. Cielo.
We're here.
Okay, Gibran, wala.
What happened?
Elijah.
Wait, he called you? He called us because
Sorry.
what did he say?
Skyler Valdez.
Because he said
Skyler
he'll call everyone
Valdez.
from
Judge.
second
At
wave
Gwyneth
judge.
Julia Serrano.
Scrambling. I'm gonna go judge.
Si Carl. Hey, Captain Pastor,
How come? Dami kasing naalis eh. Ba't kayo naalis?
She took my cube. Who took your cube?
The heck, some does, but it's on our
Cat? Bro.
Wait, it's recording.
Yeah. I was recording
Hello.
me and my sister scrambling earlier.
I cannot believe you guys still have storage. I cannot believe you guys still have storage after so many pumps.
did you average in
It's
Scoop?
I suck. Don't talk about it. I got a 4 point something. 4.4? I don't think I win podium.
You're gonna podium. You beat me.
What did Shallow get?
4 point.
What
I'm
did
Shallow, by the way.
Oh,
I'm
you're-
Shallow.
Oh, wait. I thought you were Anne.
Bro.
What did you get?
Huh?
What did you
4.5.
get? 4.5. Oh.
Did none of you know the difference between us?
The only difference I know is when one of your hair is tied.
Oh. Oh, it's because
I
I
know
tied
that-
my hair today.
The tied hair
Whoops.
one is Anne, and the not tied hair one is Shallow. So like, oh, his hair is tied. This must be Anne, but it was Shallow.
Oh my hair is tied. Yeah. You told me to tie my hair.
I honestly don't know the difference.
Fair.
How do I know which one is which?
Okay. One, I carry like a sling bag on me always. And another thing is like, I'm taller.
Wait, you're taller than Anne. so
I'm
that's a
taller
difference.
than Anne. I also have like smaller eyes.
Oh. Okay, that's one benefit.
And if we're talking, my voice is more high pitched than hers.
Oh. Who's younger?
She is.
Okay, and she's taller than you.
Huh? I have no clue. I wasn't paying attention.
I'm younger, so I was what?
I have no clue.
You're younger, but you're taller. Tell her that, okay? No offense.
Wait, no, I'm taller.
Wait.
I said I'm
Who's younger?
taller.
Who's younger? Sorry.
Her.
Oh, okay, okay. brain fart. I brain farted.
Check live.
Don't you play for me? I haven't seen my results.
In what?
Skew. Wait.
Judge.
Reload.
There's still nothing in Scoop.
Wait, reload.
Hold on.
Half mark?
Okay. And can you load live? Load live. Why? Check Scoop. It's not. Oh no, there's no results in Scoop yet.
What?
Oh, that's it. It's there.
Oh, I podium.
Ah.
How did I podium?
What the heck? Knew it.
Wait, have your thingy with podium. Oh, have your podium.
No, Javier did podium.
Wait. Oh, yeah.
Well, that's annoying, but it's fine.
Counting goes.
Next time.
Counting goes.
Next one is
Pinoy side.
Pinoy sides.
I'm going Pinoy side, I think. Should I go Pinoy sides?
There's 8 slots left.
Should I go? Pinoy sides?
There's 8 slots.
No, cause like,
But what's stopping
Cause-
you? What's the reason not?
What's stopping
my
you?
brother's baseball, he has a baseball game in
Is he more important than us?
going to Pampanga
Is
for, I don't know, 2 weeks.
What the?
2 to 12. 2 to
When?
12. 2 to 11.
What happens?
Even terrible person.
Why?
Judge Brenton. Someone judge
Okay.
Brenton.